Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on using the Transpose feature in Microsoft Excel. This feature is used for converting horizontal row data into vertical column style sheets. You can copy or move the cells, rows, columns or ranges as per your convenience. All you need to do is select the entries, right click, select cut or copy and then paste it elsewhere. However, there appears no trick for swapping rows and columns. Well, that is not the case anymore once we teach you the transpose feature. This is also known as paste special. This could be done as follows. Select the data in which you need to transpose the rows and columns or interchange the rows and columns. Right click on this data and either select cut or copy. I will select copy. Now click on the cell from which you need to start copying the data with the rows and columns interchanged. Then right click on this cell. Under paste options you would find the option with transpose mentioned. You might have to hover over the options to find the right option. Click on it. You can notice that the data has been transposed. All rows have become columns and all columns have become rows. However, the order of the data remains the same. For example, Jason scored 76 marks in history and Jason has still scored 76 marks in history. Then you can also use an alternate option for transposing the data. That is here. Select the cell, then click on the downward pointing arrow under paste and select paste transpose. The result would be the same. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.